If you're interested in auditioning for Ninjago the New Timeline, look at the link of the cast list in the description below, like this video, subscribe to the channel with notifications on, and comment the video with hashtag voice your desired character, and leave a link of your audition in the comments down below as well. And with that, let's get right into the video. Alright, Zahid Gafoor, Dragon Summoner Productions, Titanium Turtle, and Luna Lover Adventures. Listen up, you four. This is a very crucial video. In this video, we'll discuss how you will be voicing your lines from the script of Ninjago the New Timeline. So again, pay attention, because I'm going to be listing the steps very, very soon. Alright, so this step is actually the most simple one. If you have a recording software, just record yourself voicing your lines and your lines only. But if you don't have a recording software, then my suggestion is OBS Studios. That's a recording software that I use and most likely will use for this movie. Oh, and in case you don't remember the roles that you were casted as, I will leave the link of the cast list in the description down below. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds after you finish saying your lines, and repeat the same process until your last line of the script. When you finish your recording, comment this video with hashtag Act1 complete, and leave a link of your voice in the comments as well. You can put the recording as unlisted or public, just as long as I can see it, which means don't put it as private and definitely don't delete it. For those who have more than one line, repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 for the amount of roles that you have. Say Zahid Gafoor if you are voicing Cole, Delmar, and Blanc. You need to make a separate video of Cole, a separate video for Delmar, and a separate video for Blanc. Does that make sense? I hope so. So there you have it, my tutorial of how to voice your lines for the script of Ninjago the New Timeline. If you enjoyed, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys. It really means a lot to me. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to post them in the comments down below so that I can try to answer them as possible as I can. Or if you just have a general comment, that's fine too. Thank you guys so very much for watching. My name is Ultra NightFury Studios, and with that, I'll see you later.